Welcome to EduBeam. In EduBeam curriculum, learning is always fun, concepts are always deep-rooted, applications are always encouraged, and creativity is always championed. Learning, connecting the real world.
Our curriculum offers 4 types of activities for the academic development of the children. Montessori activities for cognitive and motor skills development. Classroom activities for application and social skills development. Digital and e-learning for teamwork and logical thinking. Thematic activities for the enrichment of whole body and mind. Now, let me explain you about Montessori activities. All the Montessori materials in our Montessori classrooms are organized in a scientific and logical sequence. As you can see in this pentagon, Montessori activities can be divided into 5 types of activities. By performing exercises of practical life activities, child will learn the life skills. By performing sensorial activities, the child will learn to touch, feel, and see colors, shapes, sizes, textures in a concrete form. By performing arithmetic activities, the child will learn to understand the relationship between the number names and quantities. Followed by, child will learn counting skills. By performing language activities, the child will learn to use phonics for reading, writing purposes. Enrichment like singing, dancing, dramatics, art and craft stimulates, encourages young mind to be always happy. Let me just give you a brief introduction of Montessori approach. The Montessori method is a child-centered educational approach that celebrates and nurtures each child's intrinsic desire to learn. Focuses on key developmental stages. A Montessori curriculum focuses on age-appropriate activities for playgroup, nursery, LKG and UKG children between the ages of 1.5 and 5 years. Encourages cooperative play. All children play, learn and grow together. They learn to respect each other and build a sense of community. The learning is child-centered. Here at Bright Kid Montessori House, we focus at the need of each child. Children here naturally learn the self-discipline. The environment naturally teaches children self-discipline and it refines important skills like concentration, self-control and motivation. Montessori environment teaches order. A sense of order helps facilitate the learning process, teaches self-discipline and caters to a young child's innate need for an orderly environment. Look around, you will find everything in its place and a place for everything at Bright Kid Montessori House. Montessori trained teachers, a Bright Kid Montessori House teachers in the Montessori classroom are like guides. They are there to facilitate the learning experience. I must share with you the quotation of Dr. Maria Montessori, the founder of Montessori methodology. She said, "Education cannot be effective unless it helps a child open up himself to life." The second academic program is classroom activities. At Bright Kid Montessori House, we prepare our children in their regular class activities through various worksheets, pattern writing, maths, drawing and coloring, handwriting, and class interactions. This is the traditional way of learning. Digital and e-learning, the third academic program at Bright Kid Montessori House. In the era of great technological advancement, when the world is changing rapidly, leveraging information technology and the internet, our curriculum on digital and e-learning helps our bright kids to be much ahead of other preschool programs. The fourth academic program at Bright Kid Montessori House is thematic activities. Small children, they love to think, imagine and role play. Our thematic teaching covers various age-appropriate topics and stories for children. Stories always strengthen creative thinking. Stories are delivered through flashcards, puppets, and role plays, which are created and used by the teachers to narrate selected stories in an interactive and interesting way to the children. It converts thoughts into feelings. It is a medium to inculcate moral values like sharing, respecting, and caring, etc. among children, giving our curriculum much needed value education. In addition to the 4 academic programs at Bright Kid Montessori House, we believe in the encouragement of extracurricular activities that promotes a holistic development of the children. The various extracurricular activities are Friday theme parties, show and tell, talent watch, lit fest, color of fun, knowledge bus, sports day, grand annual day field trips. We strongly focus on nurturing the creative skills of our children by giving individual attention to each child. We believe each day of your child's life should be celebrated with perpetuating enthusiasm. Our teachers work hard to create a very captivating and motivating environment through excellent art and craft work so that they learn a lot about creativity. One more example of how our teachers love the children you can see if you visit Bright Kid Montessori House on a Friday theme party day. Kids love various role plays which not only develops social bonding amongst them but also make them aware of various community roles to help each other in the society. Celebration and stage exposures are the most happening things at Bright Kid Montessori House. At 3 years of age, Liana is confident enough to perform on the stage. All Bright Kids shared their bright smile after learning how to take care of their dental health from the doctor who visited us. Look at our Bright Kids who turned into the most beautiful butterflies, performing the drill display in the tune of Fly, Fly, High the Butterflies in the Meadows in the Sky. Sports Day fostered the spirit of individual performance and participation. Sports Day also helped children to develop a great sense of coordinated teamwork and belongingness. Our grand annual cultural day shows are the talk of the town, where you find your children in exotic costumes performing in front of large audience. Even the little ones enjoy the most in a colorful fairy dresses in a background wonderfully created by our teachers. Wow, I must say to my Bright Kids, you are truly adorable. I am always deeply touched as I see the spirit of patriotism of these very young kids while performing on the stage. Bright Kid parents always tell, bright start is right start. And we develop once a bright kid is always a bright kid. Thank you.